Do you want to take your health and fitness to the next level? Imagine feeling more energetic, alert, and alive than ever before. The secret lies in the care you give to your health and fitness. It's not just about looking good but also about feeling good. It's about enhancing your life quality, boosting your mood, improving your productivity, and even extending your lifespan. The journey to a healthier, fitter you is not as daunting as it may seem. It's all about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. That's exactly what we're here to help you with today. We're going to share 5 easy tips that can make a big difference in your health and fitness journey. From incorporating exercise into your daily routine to maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and undergoing regular health checkups, these tips are simple, yet transformative. Ready to dive into these transformative tips? Let's get started. Tip number 1. Incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Regular physical activity is like a magic pill that benefits every aspect of our health. It strengthens our heart, reduces stress, and even boosts our mood. But how do we make it a part of our daily lives? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by choosing activities you enjoy. If you love the outdoors, consider walking or cycling to work instead of driving. If you're stuck in an office all day, why not take a brisk walk during your lunch break? Or better yet, do a quick workout right at your desk. And remember, always opt for stairs over elevators when you can. Every little bit of movement counts. But the most important element of all? Consistency. It's not about how much you exercise in one day but making sure you move a little bit every day. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Moving on to tip number 2, maintain a balanced diet. You've probably heard this a million times, but the truth is, your body is like a high-performance vehicle, and food is its fuel. The better the fuel, the better the performance. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health and fitness. It provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. So, what does a balanced diet look like? It's a colorful plate filled with fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Try to limit processed foods, high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Now, how do you achieve this? Start by making small changes. Swap that afternoon cookie for a piece of fruit. Choose brown rice over white. Add more vegetables to your meals. Small steps can make a big difference. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Eating well is a form of self-respect. Our third tip, always remember to stay hydrated. Water, this clear, tasteless liquid, is the unsung hero of our body's daily opera. It plays a major role in maintaining our overall health and fitness. From regulating body temperature to aiding digestion, water is the lifeblood that fuels our body's engines. Think of your body as a well-oiled machine, where water is the oil. Without enough oil, the machine can't function at its best. The same goes for our bodies. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and even cognitive impairments. So how can we ensure we're drinking enough water? One simple trick is to carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go. It's a constant reminder to keep sipping. Also, don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water. Thirst is a sign that your body is already dehydrated. Remember, water is the driving force of all nature. Tip number 4, never underestimate the power of good sleep. A good night's rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the time when your body heals, repairs, and rejuvenates itself. When you don't get enough sleep, you're not just tired, you're compromising your health and fitness. Now let's talk about how to improve sleep quality. First, establish a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends. This consistency can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve the quality of your sleep. Second, create a restful environment. That means a dark, quiet, and cool room, free from any noise that can disturb your sleep. And finally, avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep cycle and decrease the quality of your sleep. Remember, sleep is not just about quantity, it's also about quality. Sleep is the golden chain that ties health and our bodies together. Our final tip, don't forget to have regular health checkups. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Having regular health checkups allows you to catch potential health issues before they become serious problems. It's like regular maintenance for your car, but instead, it's your body we're talking about. Regular checkups include a variety of tests that can detect problems early when they're easier to treat. They can help identify risk factors for common chronic diseases and offer you a chance to keep track of your health. They help you to make informed decisions about your health and lifestyle. Don't wait until something is wrong to see your doctor. It's easier, not to mention less costly, to prevent diseases than to treat them. So make it a habit to schedule regular appointments with your healthcare provider. Remember, good health isn't a destination, it's a journey, and regular checkups are an essential part of this journey. Your body is your most priceless possession. Take care of it. And there you have it. 5 easy tips to take your health and fitness to the next level. Just to recap, we've talked about the importance of incorporating exercise into your daily routine, maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, ensuring you get enough sleep, and not forgetting those regular health checkups. These might seem like simple steps, but trust me, they can make a world of difference to your health and well-being. They can lead you to a lifestyle that is not only healthier and fitter, but also more fulfilling and energetic. And remember, every small step counts. So why not start today? Make a pledge to yourself to adopt these practices and see the positive changes they bring to your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Stay healthy and fit, everyone.